lovely people. Hope you're all doing good. So often we have this question, can I crack entrance in my first attempt? Or can I crack entrance at all? See, it's all about choosing the right path and walking the right path. So how do you fulfill this? That's the very reason why we have started these courses. Various courses in the form of e-classes, test series or study club discussions. And I'm sure it's not just about these courses which makes our academy special. It's about constant, continuous motivation which we'll be providing you to make sure that you are choosing and traveling the right path. And often students ask me, sir, can you guarantee me success? Can you guarantee me a rank? My answer is very simple. If you can guarantee hard work, if you can guarantee consistency, and if you can guarantee self-belief in your preparation, of course, I can guarantee you success. Because it's all about understanding the fundamental principles of preparation and then walking the path. As simple as it is. So leave about scheduling, leave about course material, leave about other irrelevant issues. The only thing you need to focus is on allotting time and preparing accordingly as per your course schedule. And the rest of the things are my responsibility, and that's the very reason why I'm sitting here and talking to you. Preparation, you have to study for yourself, but there are other things which cloud your preparation, and it's my responsibility and obligation to take care of it, provided the negativity we are surrounded with. And that's the very reason why we have been starting several courses. In fact, Mission 12, several students have enrolled to our Mission 12 batch, and even more are requesting for a new schedule. And for that reason, we are extending a new schedule for Mission 12 batch, wherein you can start your preparation right from the beginning, starting from next week. So I'll put the details in an elaborate manner as much as possible in this video. So we are planning this new schedule in Mission 12 batch. So the batch remains the same. So the content which we provide remains the same as that of our Mission 12 batch, but you will be getting a new schedule so that you can start your preparation right from the beginning. And you will obviously have access to e-classes, test series and study club discussions right from the beginning. And this is for your convenience so that, as I said, you can start right from the beginning. And this is how we are actually planning our course. See, this is February. So we have around 11 to 12 months till your date of exam. We have divided the entire course or all the subjects into 5 modules. And we'll be allotting 40 to 45 days per module. A module contains around 4 to 5 subjects. So by the time you reach September, you'll be completing all subjects, one revision. And from September midway, that is after September 15th, October, November, and some days in December. So 3 to 4 months you'll be having solid time for second or third revision if necessary. So we have carefully planned this schedule so that you can make most use of the course and complete at least 2 to 3 revisions in the entire course of your preparation. So this is an overview of our new schedule in Mission 12 batch. As you can see, we'll be starting with a mock test and orientation exam on Feb 6th, and from Feb 10th you'll be having regular weekly exams. And if you look into the timetable, we have a dedicated timetable for all the students. See, on Sunday you'll be obviously having an exam and compliance report submission. So compliance report is something where you'll have dedicated columns for the number of MCQs you're practicing, the number of hours you're spending on preparation. So it enables you to monitor your preparation on daily as well as weekly basis. And after you submit, see, once you fill up this compliance report, all you need to do is just drop a mail by taking a picture or a screenshot. And on Monday, we'll be having compliance report analysis. So I'll be giving my inputs pertaining to your preparation after going through your customized compliance report. So in fact, it improves your compliance towards our program. Hence, it's named as Improved Compliance Program, Mission 12 batch with Improved Compliance Program. So every day, Monday to Friday, you'll be having a daily test, as you can see in the timetable. And Monday will be compliance report analysis. Tuesday, you'll be having a surprise test, a cumulative fashion. You'll be provided with key and explanatory answers Wednesday and Thursday we are planning point and shoot sessions. So we'll be providing you 2 to 3 sessions or even 4 sessions depending upon the schedule. And on Wednesday you'll be getting subject rank as well as the ranking analysis or your test paper analysis from my side. And Friday we'll be providing you surprise test ranking. Saturday there will be a demo test in the same subject, wherein you have a main test on Sunday, and Sunday is the day of exam and compliance report submission. So you have a dedicated timetable which helps you to navigate through your entire preparation with ease. You'll have some clarity on what we provide on each day and how you can proceed using the contents which we provide on daily as well as weekly basis. And regarding online lectures, so we have hundreds of videos. We provide recorded videos in the form of our e-classes. What you find in YouTube are demo videos only, but in e-classes we have even more videos from all the subjects. And for the list of topics covered so far in our e-classes, you can find the same in general section through guest login. So we're keeping everything transparent so that you'll understand clearly what we provide before you register to our course, right? It has to be transparent, and I need to be honest in what I'm been doing, so that trust is something which is very important. And once you trust the person who is guiding you, you'll obviously have enhanced preparation. I'm telling you out of personal experience. I love my teachers and I'm proud of them, and that's the very reason why I can happily say and dedicate my success to their love and affection. So if you love your teachers, if you love your guide, then obviously preparation goes to next level. It has a psychological basis as well. And you can see several contents in our e-classes. And test series will be having daily tests, surprise tests, weekly tests, cumulative, revision, grand tests, different category of tests. To just expose you to as many multiple choice questions as possible. That's the objective here, right? And all the details have been mentioned in the course PDF, and we provide minimum of 2 to 3 sessions per week pertaining to study club discussions in our WhatsApp, and you'll have a backup of all these discussions obviously in WhatsApp group as well as in our e-classes, so that by the end of the year you can go back to any topic in our e-classes pertaining to these study club discussions and listen to voice clips or go through the questions or explanations at your convenience. And course fee, you can find the details as being projected, and those are our account details. For sake of registration, that's how you can actually register, by depositing money in that particular account, a private limited company account, and then by mailing us a transaction receipt. Once we confirm it, you'll be having access within 24 hours, if not even earlier. And validity of the course will be till the date of exam, NEET MDS 2020 exam. And obviously, we are an online course, so obviously you need to have an internet connection to support all our course contents. And you need to have internet connection to view our e-classes, to give a test, or to attend WhatsApp discussions, isn't it? And for any further queries, you can always contact us at proudtobedentist@gmail.com. Also, check out our website ptbdacademy.com. And most importantly, in this course PDF, I'm also providing you the course overview, preparation strategy, plan of action, doubt clarification format, test series update, etc. So you have complete information on how to start your preparation, how to proceed, how to make maximum use of the content which we are providing. So everything is provided in course PDF. All you need to do is just go through it, and you have any further queries, you can always get back. And as I keep on saying, I'm just a mail away.